Okay, last example of your first exercise. This is the same ellipse which we did just now. I wanted to leave with this as exercise, but then I thought it will reinforce the concepts. Okay, this is a long major axis is a long x-axis. So this point will be a comma 0. This will be minus a comma 0. This is 0 comma b, and this is 0 comma minus b. Now he says find area bounded by the ellipse this x equals to 0. X equals to 0 कहाँ होता है? Y axis पे. So means along bounded by y axis and x equals to AE. Okay, x equals to AE. You know A is eccentricity, and in ellipse eccentricity is less than 1. Actually this you have done this in your what you call 11th class. ये उसने बस स्पेसिफाई कर दिया है वेयर बी स्क्वायर लिख भी दिया क्या होता है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू डेरिवेशन एंड ऑल. ओके फाइन. सो how to find it? It's simple question, not very difficult. Only the calculation you will have to be careful. X equals to 0 and x equals to AE means this area I have to calculate. Actually, it will be easy both ways. Whether I calculate along x-axis, no, it's easy along x-axis only. Because along y-axis, then you will have to divide it into two curves. यहाँ से अलग हो जाएगा. So better not to do along y-axis. सीधा ऐसे calculate करिए from this to this place under the ellipse. Okay. This is 0. X equals to 0 here, and this is x equals to AE. So it is very simple this way. Now means if I take a strip over here, this will be dx, this will be y. So I have to calculate the area, and only this area I have to calculate. Then I'll double it. I will get both the areas. So it will be 0 to AE dx y. ठीक है? Y dx and double it, because उसने पूरा पूछा है ये वाला. उसने ये नहीं कहा कि along bounded by x axis. उसने simply कहा x equals to 0. तो on the whole line x is equals to 0 and this whole line is x equals to AE. So I am calculating only this much, but then I'll double it to get the whole area. Okay. So coming to this, y's value will be, can I write directly? If you remember, it will be b by a. Okay, I show the calculation. 1 minus x square by a square into b square. So it will become b by a after taking, this is y square. Y will be plus minus. I am not taking because I am calculating in first quadrant. This is what it will become. Okay. So coming over here, I can leave the question here also now because it's repetition of that question. Integration will be same, only while putting limits you will have to be careful. 2 and b by a I am keeping outside. Only this much I am keeping inside, which I have to integrate. So it will be the same. Integration once again, see the same formula. This is from 0 to AE. X by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2. So for all the questions which we have done, we have used the same identity or the simple integration. Sine inverse x by a. Let's put the limits. 2b by a. When I put AE over here, x by 2 over here, you will have to put the value. A square minus a square e square. Okay, I'll do it in the next step. A square by 2 sine inverse a e by a. और 0 डालने से ये भी 0 हो गया because 0 into something 0, and this will also become 0. 0 into sine inverse 0 is 0. So only this much is left here. A and a goes. Please see 2b by a. When I take a square common, so 1 minus a square minus e square a square, total this is given to be b square. This total is b square, and I can write it only b in next step. Okay. Plus a square by 2. The sine inverse e will remain as it is. I cannot do anything with it. This, when I open the bracket, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So first term will become b squared by ax. Oh, I'm sorry. here x, how come x is left? AE. Okay. So it will be B, A and A also goes, then you will open the bracket. I should not do it. 2 and 2 goes, so it will be B square E plus here also when you multiply this and this goes, you are left with A square and sine inverse E. This is your answer. Okay. 1 minus E square A. Okay, he has not replaced it by B. Fine. What he has done is he has taken A square common. A and A cancel. So here it answer is slightly different. 1 minus E square is left. Your wish, you can do it that way. If you have to tally the answer, then I do that also, because some people will say answer is not matching. What he has done in book is he has taken A square common here. Let me do that. So it will become A. So it will be AE. AE. 1A I have taken common. Inside it is left 1 minus E square under the root. Here it is plus A square by 2 sine inverse E. When I open the bracket, it will be 1A cancels and 2 also cancels. So I am left with A 2 goes ABE 1 minus E square, and over here also 1A cancels. So AB sine inverse E, and AB can be taken out common. E into 1 minus E square plus sine inverse E. This is the form he has given in the book. That's why I did it. Okay. Because he had given there, so I used it. That is also correct if you use, but there is no harm. I have done both ways, whichever way you like. Since it had it been proof question, I had to reach here. Here answer was given, that's why I did it. But in exam, whatever comes to your mind, even if you will put B, that is perfectly fine with this question. Okay. I hope this is clear to each one of you.